Hello friends, today we will learn how we can set constraint in a table. We have already discussed about constraint in our previous video. So today we will do practical and we'll see that how we can apply constraint. As you know, we have already created database whose name is school. So first we will use our school database. So to create table, first we will use our database. We have already created database school, so we will write here command to use our database, use school, and enter. Our database has been changed. Okay, let's see. Suppose we have to create a table of a student. Okay, according to its structure, we have to follow this structure. In this structure, we have 5 fields. Our first field roll number and its data type should be integer. And we have to set constraint for roll number. It should be roll number auto increment and primary. We have to set two constraint auto increment and primary key. Auto increment, it will increase value one by one. So we do not write to roll number again and again. Our next field is name and its data type we have to set varchar, and we have also set constraints not null. Its value should be not null. Our next attribute font and its data type should be integer, and we have to set constraint unique. Our next attribute is city and we have to set data type varchar, and we have to set constraint default, and value should be Ajmer. Our next attribute is age and data type integer, and for this attribute we have to set constraint check age, and we have to check age. Age should be greater than and equals to 18. Is it clear? So for this structure we will create table. Okay, let's see, we do practical. So to create table we will write here command create table. So first we will write here create table. Our table name is student, so we will write here student and open parenthesis. Then our first attribute name is roll number, so we will write here roll number. Its data type also mentioned here integer, so we will write here int. Now we have to set constraint. So first we will set constraint auto increment. So we will write here auto underscore auto increment. Next, our next attribute is name. So we will write here name, sorry, name. Its data type varchar, and it takes size 25, and we will set constraint. It should be not null. So we will write here not null, comma. Our next attribute font data type should be integer, and we have to set constraint for font number. It should be unique. So we will set constraint unique, comma. Our next attribute is city and its data type varchar. It takes size 20, and we have to set constraint for city attribute. It should be default, so we will write here default, and also we will set its value should be Ajmer, so we will write here Ajmer. We will separate with comma, enter. Our next attribute is age, data type integer, and we have to set constraint check. So we will write here check, and then after in this functions we will write its condition. Condition is age should be greater than and equals to 18. So we will write here age should be greater than and equals to, we will use here relational operator, age should be greater than and equals to 80. Close our parenthesis. Then we will separate a comma. Now we will set primary key for roll number. Okay, so for primary key we will write here primary key, which key primary key should be roll number. So we will write roll number, roll number. Then after close, and again we will close our table and press semicolon, sorry, put semicolon and press enter. When you press enter, you will can see query OK. Now our table has been created. Okay, let's see its data structure. To show data structure, we will write command here desc and our table name. Our table name is student and press semicolon enter. It is showing a error, so we check what error is coming. Okay, we type command again desc student semicolon and press enter. Okay, now you can see its data structure. You can see in key field, key constraint, here you can see here our roll number is a primary key, and here is also auto increment. Is it clear? And you can see in default column city, column value is Ajmer. Is it clear? Okay, now we will uh, we will insert value in this table. So in this table, first we have to insert value. In roll number should be 101, name Ram, phone number 92140, and city should be Ajmer, and age 45. To insert value, now we have already set constraint, so value will be value will be insert according to its constraint. Okay, let's check. So to insert value, we will write command insert into our table name. Our table name is student, so we will write here insert into student. Then after open parenthesis, then we will write here our attribute name. Our attribute is, our first attribute is roll number, comma name, comma phone, comma city. But here we do not write here city because we have already set constraint Ajmer. So we will not write here values. So we will not write here our city attribute. We will write here age and close our parenthesis. Okay, then we have to write values. So to write values, we will write here values, and values should be, roll number should be 101. Only first time we will write roll number, its initial value, and next time it will automatically, it will increment its value. So next time we will not write also its roll number. 101 name, Ram, comma, phone number 92140, comma, we will not write here city Ajmer, we will write only our age. So age, our age is 45 and close our parenthesis and semicolon and press enter. Now you can see our query has been okay. Okay, let's check our data has been inserted or not. So to show our data, if you want to display your whole data, then we will write here command select asterisk from student. Yes, our data has been inserted, you can see here. Is it clear? Now we will insert our next information. So to insert our next information, we will again write insert command. So insert into our table name student, open parenthesis, and now that time we will not write here roll number. Okay, because we have already set constraint auto increment. So that we will not write here roll number. We will write here only name, comma, font, comma, and age. We will not write city also because we have already set constraint Ajmer. So automatically it will take value from table and close our parenthesis. Then after we will write here values, and values should be to name values will be Saroj. We will write in single quotes Saroj, close single quotes, comma, or phone number 81605 and age 78, and close our parenthesis and press enter. Our query okay. Okay, let's check display our table data. So to display our table data, we will write command select asterisk from student. Now you can see here we do not write here roll number and city Ajmer. So it's automatically it will take, because we have already set constraint roll number auto increment, so it will increase value one by one. So we do not write to value. And city also we have set constraint default, so it will take a value from default constraint. So we have already set there Ajmer, so it will take value from there. Is it clear? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.